Hello everybody, it's Philippe here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a nice little thing you can add into your West Coast swing to make it look smoother. So if that sounds good to you, let's go in. And what I do is I help and inspire people in dance. I have influences in West Coast swing, hip hop, ballet, contemporary, dancehall, house, and more. Great, so there's something we can add that can make our West Coast swing look a bit smoother, and that is pulse. It might be different to other versions of pulse you've heard about, which might be, for example, where you do this and you pulse to the music. This is a slightly different concept. So normally when we dance West Coast swing, we might have our walk, triple step, and a walk, triples, and as a follower, and so on. We might do this, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6. But we can add this thing to add a bit more satisfying movement and to be a bit smoother as well. So this is the pulse, and we're emphasizing the upbeats in the music, the 2 and the 4s and the 6. So we have our downbeats and our upbeats. Our down is the 1s and the upbeats are the 2s. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or boom, ka, boom, ka. So we're going to emphasize those ka moments, the little moments of shoom, and yeah, and we're going to sort of delay our weight transfer. So if I was doing this as a leader, and then I'll show you as a follower afterwards, it'll be look something like this. So we might go and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 1. And as a follower, we might be doing like this. And a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, and a 6. So it feels very satisfying, and it can make your West Coast swing look a bit smoother. So have a go at that and see how it feels, and write in the comments how you find that. You don't have to do this every single dance all the time, but this can be a little tool from your toolkit that you can take out every now and again, or even a lot of the time, to bring into your West Coast swing, to add a bit of texture, a bit of different flavor to your dance. So enjoy. And you're welcome to write any comments below as well if you have any questions. And if you're interested in any private coaching with me, whether that's in person or online, I'd love to come and help you, to inspire you in your dancing. So contact me, details are in the description below. And I'd love to invite you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on that subscribe button below and on the bell icon that's next to it, and help you get notified when videos are published. And I'd also like to wish you all a wonderful day, and don't forget sometimes to slow down and enjoy your dancing.